get some bowling at the place. Should I wait for that boy? No. This is Jamaica style. Don't go over cliff. Go on up, go on up, go on up. Watch it, barbecue original. Nothing better than that. Watch it. KFC. I bet. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. The leverage. The leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. Yeah, leverage nation. So there, don't know what the end. So we decided to maybe, I don't know, we'll go to Santa Cruz and deal with some things and probably see if we can print on our shirt them. That's a side mission, that's not a guarantee, but we're gonna see if, you know, get a little leverage boss thing on the shirt. Yeah man, that's a leverage. So we'll go to Santa Cruz and we'll show us my journey and then, oh, probably KFC too. You know I think that a leverage. That we are do today still. You see me? Until anything further notice make you know. So Odien, a long time leverage nation I see, you know.
Big up man.
Yeah, you don't know. Original free channel, you see it? Leverage Boss TV. So when you can go back and watch some of my video them too, where we do the hill and all of that. You see me? And then man, they have the rum, outdoor cooking and all of that man from last time we did at Jamaica. So check it out. You don't know mad thing forward, you see me? You know your leverage. In the morning, in the early morning. Should I wait for that boy, you know? No. This is Jamaica style. Don't go over cliff. Go on up, go on up, go on up. You know, obviously close now. You got me? Go over, you can go over more. Go over a little more, man. You can even left. Go on. Go straight. Yeah. Slow. Go on. Yeah, close it now, make it now. Close, man. Touch. Hold on. Oh, me look. Go on. Ah.
The road too narrow, man.
Eh?
The road too narrow.
Right now, Leverage Nation out of St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz, you know. See if we can get the shirt then, big. Yep. Well, go on. More. How much was this? You don't want something that fire, like, record it. The transparent file again. Yeah, I know what. Engine.
Send in the logo.
Oh, me send it to them. Okay. Gotta be something so I'll look up on the phone. Match is so low already. Oh, go on. Yeah, man, Leverage Nation, I don't know, so there. So there, photo police. I will get the shirt done, the logo. I will forward back for you tomorrow, you see me? So, when I go see how that looks, so you just watch where I go on. And see what I gotta do next, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, we are walking on the street, you know, you see? Leverage. Park or KFC right now, me out there, you know? But first I get some battery. Yo, Leverage Nation, watch Odie and wait for forgotten a chicken line. You see it? Watch it. How you go then?
Shot to KFC.
Eh?
Shot into the KFC.
To the fall. Yeah, so the shirt, we're there in a Santa town, you see me? Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, that's right. Yes, it's good picking them there. So check in and see where I go on, I go suburbs and get some food. I get some fouling at the place. Yeah, man. Who wants to see how in here look? Looks good. We'll see how in here look. See how in here look. No, sorry. You ready for the line, eh?
Yeah.
You ready for the line there? The line is full. Alright, we'll check in and see where I go. And you see? Alright. Eh?
Trying to people get that drive-thru.
Alright, we think we are go drive through, but watch it. Can't manage a line there. Drive through? The drive through line?
What drive-thru per road I get through?
Okay, alright. Come in. So, yeah, we are going to fall.
Come try a couple of years.
So, you see, so Leverage Nation, and this we decide for us. Instead of go in and get the food, we are going to drive through. You see me, so. Oh, you know, she have stare at this man I say, yo, nobody no forward. Yeah, man. We don't know a thing, go. Walk back to Santa Cruz, on the hills and valleys. Yeah. How school is? States. What is school name? Where is school name? States. Okay. States.
excited man. I see GoPro and I see them all look back.
Yes. Yo, so every nation I go and say we are go for your car and thing and go to your drive-thru. The line get longer. I don't even know which one better. But let's see. Now then, eh? So that it man. You see me? That it man. We are gonna show you when we get the foul money. You don't know anything. Go KFC all the way. No delay. Dog. Oh. I can't tell. Where we want?
I mean, a big deal.
Big deal. We can get three big deal.
Spicy original or barbecue?
One of them.
Spicy and barbecue.
One of them spicy and barbecue.
Next one.
Original and barbecue.
And the next one.
Spicy.
4,020.
Okay.
And drive it.
Alright, thanks. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, we finally get the fall. The juice them around there, so. You want to show them what's sitting in there? That one there.
Barbecue original.
No, one there, my one. Look on it, please. What on your box, man? Touch it, man. Watch your peeps. Watch it. Watch it. Barbecue original. Nothing no better than that. Watch it. KFC. I bet. Don't know me. Let me get some. Let me get some. Some fry that. Let me get them piece of the barbecue. Oh, watch out. Hot, you know. No. Can't get stale. What I get one there?
Barbecue and spice.
KFC it is.
The best.
Yeah man, so right now we're still in the town. Now I'm park, yeah. You know? But yeah man. Just drive and do something, so you know where leverage go man. Remember for like, comment, share and subscribe to you know. Yeah. Yeah, leverage nation, so forward back from the shirt place and KFC. I will show you some part in a Santa Cruz. So now I'm gonna mash up the cheese bread while me edit up a video. You see me, so yeah man, that's the day. Maybe show a little bit more, so always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. We're there. You know leverage.